hear ye, we have a new product! Hit it. Hey guys, it's PatrickStarrr. Welcome back to my channel. I know one size is on fire. We have a new product. Can you tell? Can you tell what we are launching? If you guys heard the shattering in the mirrors and the glass, you are right. One Size Beauty is officially launching the glass setting spray called Powder Melt. I wanted this for the longest time. You guys have clocked me in the comments, and it has been so hard to keep this a secret. Maybe like a year and a half ago, I was testing like these different concoctions because I didn't want necessarily a fixing spray, and I know that there was an era where people were using serums. This is the love child of setting spray meets serum meets like glass setting mist. I cannot contain my excitement. Like, look at my skin. If you guys didn't know, or if you guys have been following me for a while, I am so insecure about my skin texture, but I wanted to create a product that was meant for the full beat baddies, the full beat boys and girls and the drag queens to melt your powder. You guys know we have a lot of powders, and I am in love with baking powders and baking my face and slapping powder all over my face. That I feel like applying Until Dawn, our famous waterproof setting spray, literally seals it, and it could feel a lot matte. It could feel really, really cracked and cakey. So for me, this has been this go-to setting spray that gives me this instant glass skin mist. Can you guys take a look at this packaging? Look at this fine mist. Our last setting spray, Preserve the Serve, was clogging a lot and it was really, really wonky, but I tested so many nozzles. This has the finest misting actuator that really disperses the product, so you don't really get those nasty droplets on your skin. But this is just so gorgeous. It has a matching red nozzle and then our beautiful pink formula, so you can see how much product you are actually using. Let me just give you the rundown of officially what is in here. This is a hydrating longwear setting spray that instantly turns powdery makeup into a glass-like finish. This product is perfect for setting full beat glam. This is a skincare infused formula that seamlessly melts powder and extends makeup wear for up to 12 hours with a glassy film former. You guys, that is what makes this product so freaking good. It's this glassy film former that supports prolonged makeup wear, and it really gives that glass-like finish. There's also ceramides that provide lasting moisture. There's ginger flower water, which is also known as moonlight peach, native to Okinawa, Japan, and it promotes antioxidant and oxidative stress protection for plumper and healthier glowing skin. There's also lime pearl extract, which is a natural source similar to AHAs for smoother and brighter skin. When you use this, you want to apply powder melt before makeup or instant hydration and throughout the day to refresh your glam. And also, this is clinically shown to improve your skin's radiance, texture, and moisturization. Come on, licensed esthetician. This is what I feel like has been missing in our like setting category. I love layering this before Until Dawn. I love using this when my foundation and my concealers are like melting onto my skin. Primarily though is to take away that powdery finish. I have it super, super extreme on my face. You guys know I love baking. I love using a return to the base powder foundation, but to remove that powdery finish, just take this and just spray it all over. And look, it will stay like this. And if you have a little bit too much like on the nose right here, look, take your powder foundation or any powder, little brush, and you can knock that glass skin right off. I honestly feel like this is like the new evolution of like setting sprays, because I always felt left out when the clean skin girls were doing the no makeup and getting that beautiful hydrated look. Finally, One Size and PatrickStarrr have finally come out with a product just for you. This is the Powder Melt Glass Setting Spray. The film formers give this like beautiful vibe. I have so many people even asking me when I went to pick up my Mickey Labubu's. People were asking me, hey, when are you guys gonna get a like hydrating spray? This is perfect for the boys that wear makeup, but that also want to get that like skin like look. I am totally obsessed. I have it all over my body too. Like, I don't know what else I can tell you, but looking at my skin, I am so proud of this formula. I'm proud of One Size, and it's stunning. I hope you guys are able to try this. This will be out in Sephora, onesizebeauty.com, and TikTok Shop on May 19. Add this to your kit. You definitely are gonna fall in love with this. I love you guys so much. Thank you guys for joining me on this powder melt journey, this makeup journey, this One Size journey. I love you guys so much. Don't forget, makeup is a one size fits all, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye.